Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about annotation. It means how can we add things in this area, for example here or here in a graph. For example, I want to add a text here, so I have this formula. I just put here plus, and here I just use the annotate function. And here I want to add a text here. I just type here text, comma. You can see this one is X and this one is Y, so I want it, my text be here, so I just type here X equal to 200, comma, and Y equal to 5800, comma. I want to write something here, for example label equal to, comma, my 3 types of penguins, for example. So yes, so I just run this. You can see here I have added this text here, so now I can customize my text. So that's pretty easy. We go step by step. First I add color on this, comma, color equal to red, run. You can see, so now I want to make it bold, comma. I just type here font face equal to bold, yes, it's bold. So now I want to make it a little bit bigger, comma. I just type here size equal to, for example, 5. Make it bigger a little bit. So you can see now it's bigger. So now I want to change the angle a little bit, like 35 degree. I just type here comma, angle equal to 35. You can see here. So now it looks a little bit better. So I just want to bring changes here. X, change it to 190. Oops. 190. Yes, that's it. It's about annotation. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.